Hi guys, welcome back to Ron's Keto Cafe. Today we're getting ready to go back over to keto, so we're making some Chaffles once again. Today we're making Wonder Bread Chaffle recipe using almond flour. For this particular recipe, you'll need 1 tablespoon of almond flour, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise of your choice, 1 tablespoon of water, salt and pepper to taste, or any seasonings of your taste, and then we'll mix it all together. Get the little mini dash going, and it will create two Chaffles. And these are great for an egg sandwich, as you can see towards the end of the video over here. So right now I'm just adding the my egg mixture over the top of the mini dash, and within about a couple of minutes, it it's done. And to take it out, be careful. You shouldn't really be using a fork there, but I used a fork anyways. Since then, I bought a spatula to take that off with a rubber spatula. But this is one of my older videos that I had done. It came out really good. I'm getting ready to go back to keto and do more of this type of meals for me, because I've been picking up way too much weight. And I wanted to, the original video that I posted, people couldn't hear my voice over the music. So I'm going to make these now without the music if I can help it. And if there's nothing in between, I'll add music to that and just continue on with the voiceover. So these are 2 eggs that were fried up easy over, and then I ended up with a little bit of butter on it, and then I'm just showing what it looked like on the inside. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.